break in the new ski. Harder now. A bit. We're about to do the break-in period for the RXP 300. Now, break-in periods can take about 5 hours to do. You can't go full throttle on the skis. Now, the whole idea of breaking in a brand new jet ski, and I've broken in 3 other jet skis before, is to change up your RPMs. That's what I've been told. I'm not an expert at this, but I've only done what I was instructed to do. You don't want to full throttle it, and you don't want to just stay in the same RPMs and just putt around the lake the whole time. You want to keep on changing your RPMs, going up, bringing it back down, going up, bringing it down, or like just changing it up. Look at this menu, guys. They have some good food here. Yummy. But look how many docks they have too. Boat slips. They got jet ski docking over there. And nobody's out here right now. I thought it was gonna be cold on the water. It is cold, but we're over here at Lake Houston Brewery on the water. I had to put my damn hoodie on because I had a tank top on and I was getting a tan. Look who's here. It is freaking hot. The sun is beaming. She's such a beauty. Look at that. So photogenic. All right, let's go. Let's go hit the river and put some hours on this ski.
Hope y'all get on.
I got it.
You got it.
See?
I
Watch.
know.
Watch, watch. We're gonna go fall back.
I know.
We just fall back.
I'm just trying to be a
Man.
nice guy. You independent heifer.
Thanks, girl.
He said, you independent heifer. Boat slips reserved for customers only. Well, who the hell is gonna be parking over here?
Keep it here overnight.
Or maybe, oh, you know what? Maybe because people want to hang out here, drink on their boat, but don't can pay inside.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it.
Look at it.
Look at it. All right, guys, it's time to put some hours on it because we cheated. We went to the restaurant and just hung out. You know, that's the painful part, is the break-in period, because you just want to hammer the shit out of that throttle, but you cannot. So you gotta kind of baby it, but don't baby it too much. You want to make sure you hone those cylinders really good. So I'm picking up, dropping down, picking up, dropping down. Then I, you know, just bump it, and stuff like that. Again, I am not a professional. I just was told that's how you're supposed to break it in. So make sure you read your manuals.
Or don't.
That is the ending of day one on the break-in of the new 2021 RXP 300. Now, only time will tell because it's not fully open yet, but I can imagine this ski is gonna rip the shit out of this water. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna hit it day 2 Tuesday in a couple days, and then we'll be back on the water. Make sure you like this video down below, and make sure you're subscribed, and comment below. Tell me what you think about the new RXP. See y'all next time.